Hello, fellow home gardeners and savvy savers. Are you tired of watching your grocery bill climb higher and higher? What if I told you that you could significantly cut down on those expenses, enjoy fresher produce, and feel incredibly accomplished all at the same time? Today, we're diving into a fantastic way to save money and boost your self-sufficiency. We're going to talk about 12 common groceries that you can easily grow right in your own backyard or even on a sunny windowsill. Get ready to transform your shopping list and your garden. Growing your own food isn't just a hobby, it's a powerful way to save money. Think about the cost of organic produce or even just fresh herbs at the store. Those prices add up quickly. When you grow your own, you control the quality, avoid pesticides, and enjoy peak freshness. Plus, there's immense satisfaction in harvesting food you've nurtured yourself. Let's get started with our money-saving list. These are incredibly easy to regrow from scraps. Simply place the white ends with roots in a shallow glass of water. You'll see new green shoots in just a few days. Once they've grown a bit, you can plant them in soil for continuous harvests. This is a fantastic way to always have fresh scallions on hand without ever buying them again. Leafy greens like romaine, butter lettuce, or even spinach are perfect for a cut-and-come-again harvest. You can grow them in containers or garden beds. Just snip the outer leaves as needed, and the plant will continue to produce. This means endless fresh salads right from your garden, saving you a fortune on bagged greens. Fresh herbs are notoriously expensive at the grocery store, and they often wilt quickly. Growing your own is a game changer. Basil, mint, cilantro, and parsley are all very easy to cultivate. They thrive in pots on a sunny windowsill or in a garden bed. Imagine having fresh herbs for all your cooking, anytime you need them, for free. Did you know you can grow garlic from a single clove? Simply plant individual cloves, pointed end up, in well-drained soil in the fall. By the following summer, you'll have full heads of garlic. It's a slow but incredibly rewarding process that yields a pantry staple. Potatoes are surprisingly simple to grow, even in containers or grow bags. Just plant pieces of potatoes with eyes or sprouts facing upwards. They are prolific producers, and you'll get a bountiful harvest from just a few seed potatoes. Freshly dug potatoes taste amazing and save you money. Sweet potatoes are another root vegetable that's fun and easy to grow. You start them from slips, which are sprouts grown from a mature sweet potato. Once planted, they produce beautiful vines and a generous harvest of delicious tubers. They're a fantastic, nutritious addition to your home garden. Fresh ginger can be pricey, but it's simple to grow indoors or in a warm climate. Plant a piece of ginger root with an eye or bud in a pot. Keep it moist and warm, and soon you'll have your own supply. You can harvest small pieces as needed, leaving the rest to grow. Tomatoes are a garden favorite for a reason. They are incredibly productive and taste so much better when homegrown. From cherry to beefsteak, there's a variety for every taste. Starting from seeds or small plants, you'll be swimming in fresh tomatoes all summer long. This is a huge money saver, especially if you love fresh salsa or sauces. Bell peppers, whether green, red, yellow, or orange, are another excellent choice for home growing. They thrive in sunny spots and produce continuously throughout the season. A few pepper plants can provide a steady supply for salads, stir-fries, and grilling. They are much more flavorful than store-bought options. If you're looking for quick gratification, radishes are your answer. They grow incredibly fast from seed, often ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. They're perfect for beginner gardeners and can be succession planted for a continuous supply. Enjoy their peppery crunch in salads or as a snack. Bush beans are incredibly easy to grow from seed and are very productive. They don't require trellising, making them ideal for smaller spaces or containers. Plant them directly in the ground, and you'll soon have an abundance of fresh, crisp beans. They're a healthy and cost-effective vegetable. Zucchini and summer squash are famous for their prolific production. Just 1 or 2 plants can provide more than enough for a family. They grow quickly from seed and are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You'll save a lot by growing your own, and you might even have enough to share with neighbors. Starting your own garden doesn't have to be overwhelming. Begin with just a few of these easy-to-grow items. Choose what you eat most often to maximize your savings. Ensure your plants get enough sunlight, provide good soil, and water regularly. Even a small container garden can make a big difference in your grocery budget. There you have it, 12 fantastic groceries you can stop buying and start growing. Imagine the money you'll save, the fresh flavors you'll enjoy, and the satisfaction you'll feel. So, grab some seeds or scraps, get your hands dirty, and start your journey to a more self-sufficient and delicious life. Happy gardening, everyone!